and welcome to the conclusion of the ABCs of NVC. I hope that you have a better sense of, your giraffe, that heartful, warm connection, expressing feelings and needs part of yourself, as well as the jackal, that part that wants to, slip into criticism or to blame or to reactivity. I want to let you know that this kind of practice takes tons of time, and to be gentle on yourself as you move forward. Congratulate you for all of your hard work and all of the reflection that you did during the class, and I hope that you're encouraged to continue to practice. This is a language of love, and it takes a lifetime to master if we're lucky. You've done a wonderful job. Thank you for joining us in the class, and I hope that you have found new tools and processes in yourself to connect more deeply with your feelings, your needs, and your requests to other people. Happy connecting,